Grand afternoon, grand afternoon. It's about 12:30 p.m. Thursday on this very chilly southern Texas day. We are out of the Arctic freeze now. We're in the low 40 degrees, but we're above freezing. As you can see, I'm charging all my generators because this is a very, very good solar day. Blue skies, real non-cloudy blue skies. Lots of sun coming through. So I'm charging all my solar generators up, including this big one right here. This one's taking in 1,200 watts per hour from solar form number 2. Then I have my other 3 outside charging up right now. The 12 volt DIY solar generators. They're, if I can get this on right here real quick, I'll show you guys what these guys are doing. Once I get my iPad on real quick, and I'll show you what they're doing. Okay, this is my Victron app. Each one of these is a solar generator. They're charging up. One 17 watt right now. One's taking in 128 watts. Another one's taking in 5 watts because the sun is, the way the panels are facing, the sun is moving. So as you can see, if you look at the indicators on here, you see that where it says float? That means that one is fully charged up. That's why it's only taking in 17 watts, because it's fully charged. The bulk one in the middle is still charging. It hasn't reached the full capacity. That's why it's taking in 129 watts. The bottom one is only taking in 5 watts because, again, it's on float. That means they're all filled to capacity. When it changes to float, that means they're all filled up. So I have 2 that are all filled up, and I have 1 that's still charging 121 watts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the 2 that says float because they're all filled up, and then I'm going to plug up my fourth one up because I have 2 that are completely filled up because it says float. They're both filled up, and I have 2 that have to be filled up. So one's filling up right now in the middle, then I have 1 that's unplugged. So it's a beautiful solar day. I'm enjoying it as we warm up here out of this Arctic freeze.